Hello, this is Judy. I just wanted to get on real quick and show you one of the new scrapbook workshops from Stampin' Up, and this is the Halloween Memories. So it is for 3 two-page layouts. So you get this one, and this one. And I wanted to show you what's in it. I haven't even opened it yet. So you need this, a marker, adhesive, a trimmer, and scissors is all you need to put this together. So they give you all the directions, which are really similar to how Close to My Heart did them, which you should be able to follow through really easily. These are not real detailed scrapbooking workshops, which is fine. You can boost it up as much as you want, right? You don't have to keep it plain and simple, but it works this way for anybody, beginners to very experienced. So the directions that come in it, there's some mistakes in it. So they gave you directions online to download. And so these I'm just going to toss because I don't want to get confused. So first of all, I see some exclusive paper, and this has a really neat web design around the border, which I love. So you get 2 of those. This is a grid with a black border, which I love. Then it has books on a black base, which is really cool. One thing about Stampin' Up paper is everything is linear. You know, it's all up and it's all straight. So it's not every which way, which we were used to with Close to My Heart. On the back is a orange dot, which I really like. I like orange dot. Oh, I love this stripe. Stripes are really nice. They're usable for a lot of things. And then you have, I think this is Pool Party, a diagonal stripe. Very, very usable. I really like this with the dots. There's a lime green, or probably Granny Smith, Granny Apple Green, whatever it is. I'm not sure. Bubbles. So if you can see it. So that's really cool. Oh, and a black stripe too. Okay, so lots of stripes, which is usable. Then you get 2 sheets of the orange. I'm not sure, pumpkin pie maybe. I'm trying to get my colors. Black, and this is a white core black with the gray on the other side. And you will see that these are two-tone. And I have tried cutting these in my Cricut, and it cuts really nice. So I'm really happy with that. So there's the green again, and then the purple. I'm not sure what this purple would be called. Gorgeous Grape, maybe. Getting them. Pool Party. And we're going to be getting more of these colors in the two-tone, as you can see from that. So if you just want some two-tone cardstock, you can order just the packs of the coordinating cardstock. And then you get the white, and they're coming out with our white Daisy is going to be renamed to White Whisper White, I believe. Then you get your sticker sheet, your photo placeholders, and then the chipboard that they use to keep it all together. So let's look at the stickers real quick. So these are some bats. We have some really nice ones, really nice little words. I like that. I use those a lot. And then these are not 12 inches, so they're a little bit less, probably 11 and a half. And then what I would do to use these on a 2-page is cut it in half on my trimmer before I peel it off of the support sheet. So that's the way you could get 2 of them that are the same for a 2-page layout. All right, so that's one of them. And I will go through and do the other workshops as well in some short videos. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.